can see the ugly things look beautifully. Then the weight of truth comes crashing in, shattered illusions of minor sins. The best intentions can sometimes be spiritual abduction for you and me. Yeah. Oh no, I'm not a bubble boy. I won't get sucked into your void. Oh no, I'm not a bubble boy. I'm not here trying to be coy. Sheltered worlds, lofty ideas and positive ends, for the benefit of bubble friends. Then the wrath of truth comes smashing in, popping the bubble they're living in. Their optimism is usually counterfeit